Hello guys, and welcome to Daily Market Movements. Welcome to today's episode where we're going to be solely looking at the NASDAQ 100. Good news, for the first time in a long time we are currently trading in the green, and today has actually looked like a rather solid session. Volumes have been very nice, and at this moment in time the NASDAQ 100 is trading up 1.7%, with the Dow up 0.5% and the S&P 500 up 1%. Now we still have 3 hours left of the trading session, but as I just mentioned, the volumes today have been a lot different to what I've seen over the past couple of sessions, and this indicates to me that we may actually finish today in positive territory, and this is a very good sign, especially going into the new month of February. Of course, the final trading session of the month is on Monday, so hopefully, we could have a day where we perhaps end flat or, even better in positive territory. But as we look into February, I am looking for a recovery here, a nice retracement here for the NASDAQ 100 and the other indices, the S&P 500 as well. RSI is at 32, so we're pretty much still considered to be oversold here, and I think that we could see a move up towards 15,000 as we go into next week. This week has just been highlighted by some of the biggest tech names out there reporting fantastic earnings. We had Microsoft at the start of the week. That stock went up around 5 to 6%. And then, of course, last night we had Apple report earnings, and their revenue has grown 11% year on year. 11%. Don't forget, this company is valued at around $2 trillion. 11% year on year growth for a $2 trillion company is, that is amazing. So their quarterly revenue was at around $123.9 billion. It's an incredible amount of money, and it really has been the two highlights of the week here for the tech industry. And going into next week, it's going to be a massive week. We have Alphabet and Amazon reporting their figures, and of course, because of Christmas, I do anticipate these figures to be very good, and for them to post a beat on both lines, that being revenue and earnings per share. So I think this could potentially play in the NASDAQ 100's favor. I think that we could, as I just mentioned a few moments ago, trade back up towards 15,000. We are kind of creating a nice supportive area. Wrong one. I was meant to get this square. So we are kind of creating a nice supportive zone here. But as I mentioned the other day, as long as we are trading above the swing high that we achieved the swing low that we achieved on Monday down at 13,700. The NASDAQ 100 is still bullish, but also as long as we are still trading within this white box, which is below the 200-day EMA and above the swing low that we achieved on Monday, this is what I call the volatile area. As I do fully anticipate the markets to still be volatile, providing that we are still trading in here. And volatility is not always a good thing, but if you are trading non-leverage, it can obviously work in your favor, as it can create more percentage points. But if you are trading with a leverage account, please do be careful still, whilst we are trading within this white box. But a break above the 200-day EMA would be a signal for me saying that yes, we can now go and work back up towards those highs up around 16,767, I believe it was. So I'm very bullish going into next week. I'm really happy with the trading session today. It's nice to see the volatility just take a tone down, and there are several signs now that this market has bottomed. I'm starting to see some panic in the options market. That is typically a sign that you have bottomed, but it was more that candlestick that we formed on Monday, and I said it since day one. That was the day where I went shopping on Monday, where the market just really went crazy and everyone was running for the hills. And that's when we were nearly down 5%. So this was a day when I really put money to work, and at this moment in time I'm pretty much level on those investments. But as we go into next week, I really am looking for an uptick, and I want to use this opportunity, guys, to let you know that we do have some signals open in our signal team. So if you've got time this weekend, please don't hesitate to go over to our website, dailymarketmovements.com. I've posted loads of educational content on there as well, which teaches you how I set up my trading chart. So if you want to learn and improve your trading skills, please head over to the website and become part of our trading team. It only costs $399 for a year's membership. That works out to be $33 a month. One good trade and you can pay that yearly subscription off, and then you're laughing. So we'd love to have you on board of a team here. Have a lovely weekend all, and thank you very much for tuning in this week for my videos. And that is going to wrap it up for today's video. But just before I let you leave, I just want to quickly show you our brand new streaming service. We've recently launched this website that you can see in front of you. This is where we provide in-depth analysis videos as well as trading signals via our Telegram group chat. Once subscribed, you'll then have access to all of our in-depth analysis videos as well as access to our private Telegram group chat. We cover various markets such as commodities, US stocks, indices, and cryptocurrencies. We also have a video category where we provide educational content so that you can improve your trading skills. If this sounds appealing to you, then you can find our website link in the description of this YouTube video at dailymarketmovements.com. If not, then I would just like to take this time to say thank you for watching today's YouTube video. Please give my channel a subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon.